I wish to ask a question 13/2017 in my name to the Minister for Defense and National Security. Can the Minister advise this House on the security measures in place to prevent any further smuggling of arms and ammunition into the country? Thank you.
Thank you. I invite the Honourable Minister for Defence and National Security.
Thank you, Honourable Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I'd like to first of all thank the Honourable William Ngaboka for this question. In terms of existing national laws, we have in place the Customs Act 1986, the Customs Prohibited Import and Export Regulations 1986, and the Arms and Ammunition 2003 that regulates arms transfer across borders. At our main ports of entry, in particular at Nadi Airport, we have X-ray machines, K9 units manned by Customs and Police on 24/7. Fiji's membership with Interpol enhances the border law agencies to access Interpol I-24/7 network, a prompt international platform systems that enables the rapid sharing of required data. Madam Speaker, Fiji, as you know, is a country with more than 330 islands, and 30% are inhabited, susceptible to arms smuggling into the country. Law enforcement agencies have limited physical presence in saffron spots, maritime islands, marinas restricting human intervention. The Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji assists the Ministry in their current software platform, the Automated Information System that monitors all vessels that possess transponders. Madam Speaker, the ensuing national security strategy is in its consultation phase and is envisaged to realign and harness all security mechanisms and stakeholders of government by June 2018. Madam Speaker, if I may just say here that what government has done so far. The implementation of the national security strategy will enable the clear sharing of information and the ability to access the required element to enhance detection in various aspects. Government's initiative is to firstly create awareness and provide a significant level of empowerment and responsibility in the village level. This effectively translates to educating the communities of their contribution towards the national security. Government has strengthened the K9 capability in the overseas training of personnel and the recruitment of overseas K9 in their canals. Government has purchased X-ray machines for containers at our two main seaports of entry, and also 3D capability X-ray machines at our major airports. The Ministry continues to consult with certain private entities that are equipped to provide accurate aerial monitoring and clear surveillance to our maritime and law enforcement agencies. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you. I invite two comments from the floor. Honourable Kubuabola. Sorry.
Madam Speaker, as the Honourable Minister will know, it is confirmed, even by the latest finding, that a lot of these smuggling are coming through our waters. Given that they have wrecked one of our naval boats through their own negligence, what assurance does the nation have that our coastal waters will be secure?
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, let me just assure the Honourable Member that our border agencies are very active and working on making sure that this smuggling of arms and ammunition into Fiji is controlled. Thank you.
Honourable Wandi.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Can the Minister assure this House and the people of Fiji that all arms and ammunition that were smuggled into the country are all recovered? Thank you.
Honourable Minister.
Madam Speaker, I can assure the Honourable Member that we are in the process of working very hard to make sure that the arms and ammunition coming into the country caught and are taken care of.
Honorable Ratu Inoke.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. My question is whether the Ministry has any measures to address internal security, which is probably worse than the arms and the ammunition, is through by character defamation, vicious character defamation, through distribution of pamphlets. From this morning, up in Nambombudo, Nandarwawalu, Ratu, Moira, and escaping through Monasabu towards the other side of Fiji. That is to the opinion that it is more threatening internally than arms and ammunition. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
The onus is on the Honorable Minister to answer that question. It is unrelated to this question, but the onus is on you. Thank you.